What's up, everybody? We are finally back in the backyard. So since we extended our patio, y'all know I said I was going to be building my backyard oasis, and we are here today to do another step to complete that process. So we have decided to join the stock tank pool gang, and if you guys do not know what a stock tank pool is, I'm about to show you. But basically, well, let me just flip the camera around and I'll show you. So this is a stock tank. These are actually used to feed cattle on the farms. It is galvanized steel. Yeah, it's galvanized steel, so extremely durable. But I have been seeing so many videos where people have been turning these into pools, and I'm not just talking about like just fill it up and sit in it. No, I'm talking about a real pool, like adding pumps on it, chlorine, all of that good stuff. So we decided to do that because, one, Antonio loves his yard. Y'all see the yard. He is not trying to mess up his grass. And two, a $60,000 in-ground pool is just not in the budget right now. So we are going to get started. And the very first thing that we're going to have to do is level the ground that we're putting it on. Okay, so what we've decided to do, we've decided to put our stock tank right here on this area of the patio. As most of you all may know, whenever you do concrete for a patio, there has to be some type of slope for the water to drain. So because there is a slope on the patio, our pool is not going to sit level. And you want your pool to sit level, because if not, it just looks ugly. You know, when you look at it, the water will be leaning all to one side, and we did not want that. So I did my research and found a few things that would help us to get this area level. The most reasonable thing that I found was using roof shingles. These are a pack of roof shingles that we got from Home Depot. Yeah, we got it from Home Depot yesterday. And we've already measured to see how much we're off, and we're about an inch off. So we're gonna build it up, and shingles are good because they can be stacked up and layered in a way to get it to the height that you need it. So we're gonna do that first, and then we'll be back to show you guys the rest. All right, y'all, so this is what we've done. We did like front and back, so we did an inch here and just took the rest and put it there. So we're gonna put it on top, put the stock tank on top and see if we can get it level, and I'll show you exactly how we're gonna check for level. Alright, y'all, so now I'm going to show you how we're going to check for level. What you can use is a long piece of wood. This stock tank is 8 foot wide. We don't have a piece of wood, but we do have some gutter because we're about to do some gutters on our house. So we have a piece of gutter. We're going to put it across there, and then we have a level that we're going to put on top to see if it's leveled. Alright, y'all, so now that it's level, the first thing that we're going to do, hold on, let me move this. The first thing we're going to do is drill the holes for the pump, for the pool pump. We have to drill 2 holes for the inlet and outlet valves, and Antonio is going to do that. Let me show him what you got.
It's a 2 3/4 inch hole saw.
Yes.
Well, gotta buy another one.
All right, y'all. So this piece right here is the outlet. So you're gonna have water running through the filter and coming out into your pool, something like a jet. So we're gonna put that up here. And these two pieces came with the filter. And then on the other side, I'll show you an additional piece that we had to purchase. So how you're gonna put this on, you have, it also comes with this tightener. So you have an O-ring here. The O-ring goes on the inside here, just like that. Let me put this part back on. So that goes on the inside, and then you have, what you call this, Tonio?
A lock nut.
A lock nut, and we're gonna tighten it on. So this is a plunger valve, and then we're going to connect it here and lock it on. And the purpose of this is so when we change out the filters, you'll be able to turn it on and off so you don't have water shooting out. Now we are going to put on the inlet valve, and inlet meaning in. So this one is going to suck water in. So you see we put this hole at the bottom because we wanted to pull the dirty water off the bottom, run it through the filter, and then spit out the clean water up at the top. So same thing like we did the other side. You're gonna take off the lock nut and put this side on the inside and then just screw it on. Really, guys, putting on all the fittings is actually really simple. I guess the hardest part of the whole thing is probably just drilling the holes. All right, so now that we have both of the fittings on, let's see if y'all can see them from here. So the inlet is at the bottom, outlet is at the top. So now what I'm gonna do, I just got a thing of water, and I'm just gonna pour it around to see if we have any leaks. Now if you have leaks, what you can do is use silicone to seal up around your inlet and outlet valve, but because we have the rubber gasket on the inside, it should pretty much be a really tight fit. Let's hope so. If not, it's nothing a little silicone won't fix. But we're going to get this, and I'm just gonna pour it all over here like this and see if I got anything running on the outside. And that one looks good. Do the same thing over here. And nothing is leaking, so that's great. So that is it, you guys. Our pool is ready to be filled up. I mean, it's just as simple as that. I will leave a link down below as to where you can purchase this if you're interested. I got mine here locally in Jacksonville from Tractor Supply. And then all of the accessories, the pump and the valves, I will also leave a link for those. You can just purchase those on Amazon. These are actually Intex supplies, and Intex are, I'm sure y'all have seen those above ground pools that you can get from Walmart or whatever. So that is where all the fittings come from. So that's it. It is really just that simple. So that is our pool. I am going to, oh, let me back up. There we go. That's our pool. I'm going to go ahead and start filling it up, and then I'll just come back tomorrow to show you guys how it's looking. All right, guys, we have started.
Hi, everybody.
he's happy. We done started filling it up. So I'm sure it won't be done tonight, or probably, I don't know how many hours it's gonna take, but hey, get out of there. But I will definitely come back in the morning and let you guys see how it looks all filled up. Alright guys, so as you can see, the stock tank is doing just fine. We put all the fittings and everything on yesterday and we filled it up, and the kids are already enjoying it. You like the pool?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
So thank you guys so much for watching. We will have more videos coming up on the stock tank because we do plan on doing a few things, adding a deck around it. So yeah. All right, see ya. Say see ya.
See ya.